Hey guys, and the 10th anniversary Galaxy leaks are officially here. We have our first ever leak that we're gonna discuss, but before that, about my last video, holy hell, there was so much rage because of the notch. We saw a patent from Samsung that showed the notch design. It was actually the second time we saw the notch patent from Samsung. First one was back in 2016, and now in 2018 we saw a little more detailed one. So people got pissed, they were angry, there were some weird comments, but thankfully it's a patent, so nothing is confirmed. It just tells us what they are cooking behind the scenes, and as I said before, leaks will ultimately decide what's really going to happen, and today's leak will clear up some dust. So hold your horses and calm your hearts, because the first leak is here. According to the Korean news site The Bell, they have reported that the Galaxy S10 will have the same infinity design as its predecessor, the S9 or even the Galaxy S8 you can say. This is going to be a relief for a lot of you because same infinity design means no notch. We'll still see the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus model, the 5.8-inch display with the S10 and a 6.3-inch for the S10 Plus. And the displays will be larger despite having the same screen size. I mean, the actual display area will be larger on the S10 family, which means that the bezels are indeed going to be shortened even further, maybe with no chin at all, as we have seen in this patent and previous leaks. Again, we have to wait for any visual leak to further confirm that, but if we were to take anything from the patent, this one seems to be the one that Samsung will implement. It resembles the current Infinity design and has a top bezel with no bottom chin. So take a deep breath, seems like the notch is not going to happen. And now on to the two main features that's been mentioned in the reports. One feature that Samsung sort of neglected over the years. The front camera is finally getting the update it deserves. Finally, thank God, the Galaxy S10 will going to feature a front-facing 3D sensing camera that will be used for face unlock, improving the AR emojis, and your selfies. This should allow high quality selfies. It has to match that pixel level, you know, and since it's 3D sensing tech, it should improve the selfie focus feature as well. The second feature is the one that we are patiently waiting for. We waited for this feature since the Galaxy S8 rumors. It's been a year, almost 2 years of wait. That feature is the in-display fingerprint scanner. Finally, according to The Bell, the fingerprint scanner will be placed under the screen on the Samsung Galaxy S10, so you should be able to unlock your phone by just placing your finger on the glass. As of now, there is no widely available international flagship phone with an in-display fingerprint scanner, so this will be the first, or might actually be the second one, since rumors suggest that the Note 9 could be the first phone to have it. I've heard that Samsung Displays has developed 3 solutions, with one being seriously considered. Either way, I am happy that it's finally going to happen. Samsung is supposedly working with Qualcomm, Synaptics, and Agistec on this in-screen fingerprint scanner, while the 3D camera solution is being developed by a company called Montes Vision. It's an Israeli-based company, and the camera maker would be Woodgate. It's been said that the Infinity display for the Galaxy S10 has been finalized and the production will kick off in November. Wow, okay, so this is interesting. Samsung is indeed moving fast. If they finalize the Galaxy S10 design, then Note 9 should be in production already. So speaking of the Galaxy Note 9, Universe tweeted that the Note 9 will going to be the first Samsung flagship phone to rock a 4000 mAh cell. Now that's a meaningful feature that I would like to have. So yeah guys, that's the first leak regarding the Samsung Galaxy S10. Keep calm, stay cool, stay chill, because the notch is not coming, at least according to the latest leaks. So chill out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the current direction, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out.